Here's interesting growing app called Blink Friends Circle. Blink Friends Circle. Keep tracks of your friends' movements, send funny audio stickers, unlock the world around you. When you bump anyone, everyone will know. So stay a step ahead of your friends, chat away with private messages, know what's going on in your friends' lives. There's always freeze mode if you need to disappear. And then, so let's just try it out. So here's the app. And then you just select while using the app. All right, so that's the idea. It's a lot of permissions. For this app, you can always change and add them later. And then you just have it here, and then you can go and invite your friends. And this is your unique profile here. This is basically, as an alternative for Snapchat map. So that's what you can try to use. Your profile pic, invite friends to your map. You can go to settings, you can install widget. If you want, you can delete your account at the bottom, and that's what you have here. Then I guess you can just start to search for, you can see when you're moving. So the design of this app is quite nice, and you have different designs of the map here. Notifications, privacy. That's the idea. You can move to some other locations. This app is a new one, and I guess it kind of only works in US properly. So here you have count your steps and see if who gets around most. So you can allow access to your Apple Health data and compete with your friends. So that's another one. And then, so that's the idea. So anyhow, from your contacts by nickname, you can just search your friends by nickname. That's basically the idea. Try